Today we're going to learn how to pronounce washamsi waduhaha. Starting with waw. Waw cannot be pronounced single because it is joined with sheen, because sheen has shadda over there. So shadda is pronounced two times, one with itself and one with the previous letter. Shadda means doubling the letter, so sheen has shadda, so it will be pronounced two times. First time with waw. Waw sheen fatha will be wash. Say wash. And in the second time, sheen will be joined with meem, because meem has sukoon over there. So sheen meem fatha will be sham. Alif and lam, they cannot be pronounced because they don't have anything, like no fatha, no kasra. So waw will join with sheen. Waw sheen fatha will be wash, and sheen mim fatha sham. Washam. Washam. When you pronounce shadda, you have to emphasize and you have to join properly and strongly. So washam. Washam. The next is seen. Seen kasra. Seen kasra will be si. So washamsi. Say washamsi. Okay. The next word is waw. Waw with fatha. So wa. Wad with dhamma. Du. Wadu. And the next is ha. Ha fatha. Ha. The both are different, ha and ha, and the both have natural mud. So wadu ha. Wadu ha. Ha is pronounced from the middle of throat, and ha is pronounced from the bottom of throat. So you have to take in mind the difference between ha and ha. Wadu ha ha. Washamsi waduhaha. So again, washamsi waduhaha. So if you want to learn more or you have any question, you can join me on Instagram too, and you can email your recitation on these two emails.